To do this trend on TikTok, you have to first download the Face Play application from Play or App Store. After downloading, open the application. Click on Get Started, then on Generate and then Continue. Now click on Cross icon. Now click on Wedding Dress. Here, you will find lots of free wedding dress filters. Choose any one you like and click on it. Now click on Free to Use and then click on plus icon and upload your photo from gallery. Now click on Confirm. Now click on Start Making. Now wait for some time. It will take time to generate your video. Now, you can directly save your video to gallery by clicking on Save button. But if you want to remove watermark, then click on No Watermark and then watch a 30 seconds advertisement. After watching advertisement, it will take time to remove watermark and then you can save your video to gallery. Now, after saving your video to gallery, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template and first add the edited video and then the photo. After adding, click on Preview. Now check your video and then export. Now go back to New Project and add the exported video. Now first delete the end part and then add the audio. If you don't have the audio, you can get from the link given in the description. Now if you want to add text, you can add text. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.